Hey man, who are you? How dare you to sit beside the Bonigosan, the father of repertory?
Hey old man, I am Dr. J.T. Kane, forefather of modern homeopathy.
No, you are the one who criticized my repertory. Yes, I am the one. Who the hell are you to criticize my repertory, man? What's the problem with my repertory to you? Okay man, can you explain on which philosophical ground did you build your repertory? Okay, I will explain you. Listen carefully. I have built my repertory based on doctrine of complete symptom, doctrine of analogy, evaluation of remedies, and concordances. I object you, sir. Hey boy, do you remember my first doctrine? Doctrine of complete symptom. So shut your mouth till I complete my narration. Okay? You know who advised me to construct this repertory? The master, Handyman. During my days, physicians felt difficult to find out simillimum due to vastness of Metamedica. So I felt a symptom should be complete so that it fits into its totality. To complete a symptom, it should have 4 components: location, sensation, modality, and concomitant. First, location. This component of symptom is commonly present and majority of symptoms can be easily related to the parts. Next, sensation. The exactness of sensation helps the physician to understand the complaint and differentiate the drugs. And third one is modality. It has 2 factors, aggravation and amelioration. And the last one is very important one, concomitant. Coming to concomitants, concomitants are a group of symptoms which are present along with the chief complaint, but they do not relate to chief complaint either physiologically or pathologically. My attempt was to complete the symptom, but in practice everyone found it difficult to do so. So therefore, I evolved the concept that what is true to the part is true to the whole of the person. Thus, I raised the local symptoms to a general level, which could be used for the whole person. This is called doctrine of analogy or doctrine of grand generalization. The third one is the evaluation of remedies, for which I have chosen the 5 grades. And the last point is concordances. It is the relationship of the remedies. I helped physicians to obtain the complete symptom, but majority of the physicians did not comprehend my approach. Consequently, many practitioners worked out cases by taking large rubrics under LSMC without understanding. This takes a lot of time and energy. So, practitioners refer my repertory less frequently. I think now you got it. Your misunderstanding led to drawback of my repertory. Hey kid, why are you not speaking now? Come on man, speak up. Okay, now I am giving you a chance. Speak up. After referring to your repertory, I have found that logic of homeopathy was not strictly followed in finding out the simillimum. I severely criticized the faulty method of giving importance to the parts and overgeneralization of the symptoms. I went for selection of remedies based on the generals. Because to understand the person, his expressions at the general level should be noted and relied upon. Man is prior to his organs. Man is will and understanding, and the body is the house in which he lives in. So, what is expressed on the part is always preceded by the deviation in the state of the health of the person. Such deviations can be known through expressions at the level of generals. So, I have given more importance to mental generals, physical generals, and characteristic particulars. This is the reason why people started using my repertory more often. So, that is the reason you all kept my repertory aside. You are the torchbearer for the repertory, sir. You have walked in a path which you have built, sir. And one more thing, sir. We have never kept you aside because we have never found a replacement to your repertory in the cases where particulars are dominant. We never forget your contributions, sir. I want you to give message to the homeopathic fraternity regarding the usage of repertory. What you have said is right, Mr. K. Now just I want to say one thing to present practitioners. Choose your repertory based upon the case.